from in the past.
Yeah.
That's like the bad feature of life.
Oh, and so I don't know if they already covered it, but that car was owned by a guy named Gary. That motor was built by the guy who tuned my car, and apparently the car's name was Viagra, which is a fitting name because the guy's like in the 60s. I think he was 68 when the car rolled. And my tuner just posted from Houston, posted a picture of a blue GL1, and I was like, oh, that's a bad idea. And he tagged Gary. They went over to Houston to get Viagra 2.0.
Right.
That's where you first. How many systems do you have?
Yes, I didn't think that if I didn't want to continue a relationship of unburnt valves with my guy, that would be a really good idea.
If I did that, I think I would just own a Honda Accord for the rest of my life.